The Ummah is bleeding. We are divided, oppressed, and powerless. But it wasn't always like this. There was a time when the world looked up to us for knowledge, justice, innovation, and light. From Andalusia to Baghdad, Muslims led in science, medicine, philosophy, and architecture. Names like Ibn Sina, Al-Khwarizmi, Al-Ghazali, and Al-Tusi echoed in the halls of global wisdom. We built a civilization that inspired the world. But then, we lost our way. We abandoned the Qur'an. We divided over egos. We stopped thinking. We stopped seeking knowledge. Our enemies didn't defeat us. We defeated ourselves. Colonialism broke our unity. Ignorance replaced enlightenment. Our economies weakened. Our leaders failed. Our media was taken from us. But now, it's time to rise again. We have a true belief in our hearts, Iman. We have strong ideology in the world. We are great in numbers, but still we are lacking in all fields, being beaten and destroyed. Introducing the International Institute of Muslims Edification, a global, free educational movement built for Muslims, for the Ummah, for Islam. Through Noor AI, modern research labs, media channels, international Islamic degrees, and a digital library of authentic Islamic knowledge, Edify Muslims is more than an institution. It is the spark of a new golden age. Imagine a future where Muslims lead the world in knowledge, innovation, and justice, where our children thrive in education, where science and deen walk hand in hand, where the Ummah is strong, respected, and united. This is what Edify Muslims will achieve, nurturing a new generation of global scholars, scientists, doctors, and leaders. But we need your help. We need land. We need infrastructure. We need to act now. This is not just a documentary, it's a call to action. The revival of the Ummah starts with you. This is your chance to invest in the future of Islam. For the Ummah, for your Akhirah, join us in reclaiming our legacy. Visit edifymuslims.com. Edify Muslims, reviving the golden age of Islam.